In this Painting Best Practices webinar, matte, glossy paint, and everything in between, we will examine the causes of sinking in, the best practices for oiling out, and varnish for your paintings. George O'Hanlon, Natural Pigments Technical Director and founder of Painting Best Practices, will guide you through this important webinar. The problems many oil painters encounter are irregular sheen and patchy, non-uniform areas on paintings. This is commonly referred to as sinking in. Artists will often practice oiling out to solve this problem, but it's not always best. Oiling out is appropriate sometimes, but not always. Varnishing your paintings will almost always solve the problem of sinking in. In this webinar, George will teach you the best practices to avoid these common issues. You'll learn what matte and gloss are, how gloss is perceived, how matte is perceived, how is paint glossy or matte, George will discuss the causes of sinking in, such as excessive use of solvents, excessively absorbent grounds, and colors that cause sinking in. Learn why certain easy and practical steps can help us to eliminate sinking in. George will give you an in-depth understanding about the detrimental effects of oiling out, but also ways to do so without harming your work. In this course, you'll learn the right way to oil out. George explains how to avoid all of these problems through science and practical, simple solutions. And finally, you'll learn all about various types of varnish and the best one for your painting.